Good morning, student. Dear student, today we will study in this online class of physics for 10th magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. Dear student, this is the last chapter for the second term. I told you in the online classes. Next day I will start this chapter, and so today you will study in this online class of physics for the 10th class. Chapter is magnetic effect of current. In the previous chapter you have learned the electric effect of current, and now today you will study magnetic effect of current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Dear student, the term of magnetic effect of electric current means that when the electric current flowing through a current carrying conductor, when an electric current flows through a current carrying conductor, now the magnetic field generates around the conductor, and this effect is called the magnetic effect of current. This term means that when the electric current flows through a current carrying conductor, okay, or current carrying wire, now the magnetic field generates around the conductor and inside also, and this effect is called magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, now here you can write the term of magnetic effect of current means the term of magnetic effect the term of magnetic effect of current means what means the term of magnetic effect of current means when the electric current an electric current flowing in a wire, that an electric current flowing in a wire means conductor, current carrying conductor. When that an electric current flowing in a wire, it produces the magnetic field. What produce a magnetic field around it. Produce a magnetic field produce a magnetic field around it. This effect is called magnetic effect of current. What is the magnetic effect of current? Magnetic effect of current means that when the electric current flows through a wire or flowing in a wire, it produces a magnetic field around it. This effect is called magnetic effect of current. Dear student, here the magnet. Magnet is that substance or an object which attract the iron pieces. And there are two types of magnet. One is natural, another is artificial magnet. We will study here about some bar magnet and the electromagnet and the pattern of magnetic field in this chapter. This is also important. But pattern of magnetic field and the Oersted experiment. Dear student, here the Oersted, the name of scientist who have given here the experiment and find the magnetic effect of current. He have observed and discovered the magnetic field, okay, around the current carrying conductor. Now here you will see that what is the magnet and magnetic field. Magnet is that object or an object which attract the piece of iron. Piece of iron means like the nickel, cobalt, iron. Okay, these are here the metals, and when it attract the iron pieces is called the magnetic. Magnetite or the gold stone is the natural magnet. Gold stone is the natural magnet, and which are formed by naturally. That is called the natural magnet, and which are made by man, which are called the artificial magnet. Like the Harso magnet, electromagnet, these are the artificial magnet. Okay. Dear student, a magnet have the two poles. They have always their two poles. When the magnet is suspended freely, now they are aligning themselves in a north and south direction. And the pole which are lying in the north direction, which are called north pole, and which are lying in the south direction, which are called south pole. So there are the two poles. One is the north pole, another is the south pole. when a magnet or a magnetic piece of an object suspended freely, okay, now they are aligning themselves. They are in two directions, in the north and south direction, and the pole which are in the north, that is called north pole, and which are exist in south and which are called south pole. There are the two poles of magnet. A magnet has two poles. A magnet has two poles. Two poles. One is called north pole, another is called south pole. Dear student, like poles always repel each other, and unlike poles always attract each other. Like when the two poles, like the same, like the north pole and north pole, which are placed contact, now there will be repulsion. And when the two poles, which are unlike, like first is north and second is south, placed in contact, now there will be attraction. You can see here how. Like this is a magnet. Like this is a bar magnet. A bar magnet is a rectangular shape. Like this is a bar magnet, this is a N pole, this is a S pole. Okay? Dear student, a magnetic field lines which are generated in a magnet always started from north pole and end at S pole. It means south pole. Like this. This is started from north pole and end at S pole. But inside magnet which is always uniform. Always uniform. And here outside it will be curved line. What is this? Curved line. And if we have placed another magnet and which are in the same or the like pole, then there will be repulsion. Like this is north, this is south. So here also it is started from north and end at south pole, like this. Okay, and here what will be there? There will be repulsion, or the repel. Okay, this is called repulsion or repel. There will be repulsion or repel. And here, when the like pole, unlike pole which are placed in contact like this, this is the, suppose that another magnet, and this pole, this is the north, this is south, but here when another magnet is placed, like here the north, this is the south, there will be attraction. Okay? So attraction when we'll get when the unlike poles are close contact, and repulsion will we get when the like poles are like poles are placed in contact. So here the unlike pole or the like pole always repel each other, and unlike poles always attract each other. Okay, because the magnetic field line, you can see that it's always started from north pole and end at south pole. It is curved line outside the magnet, but inside it will be uniform. Okay, you will see the magnetic field line. What is the magnetic field lines? The imaginary line. We cannot see, only imagine. We can trace around the magnet with the help of deflection in needle of magnetic compass. With the help of deflection of needle of magnetic compass. Because Oersted and discovered their experiment in 1820 and found that the magnetic effect by the current carrying conductor. Because when the current carrying conductor and the end of the current carrying conductor is connected with the battery, and when the current flows through the conductor and now place the magnetic compass under the wire or conductor, now when key is closed and then the deflection in needle of magnetic compass, if it is started from north to south, it means there will be, you can see there two direction. One is the clockwise, other is the anti-clockwise. Okay, when the current flows in downward direction, and then there will be clockwise, and when the current flows in upward direction, there will be anti-clockwise. Direction of magnetic field we can find with the help of right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule or the Maxwell right hand thumb rule or the screw rule. In this chapter you will study about the pattern of magnetic field and the laws also. Okay, right hand thumb rule, flaming left hand, flaming right hand, okay, screw rule, Ampere swimming rule. These are the rules you will study in this chapter. This is very important to find the pattern of magnetic field, and also you will study the motor. Generator is not in our syllabus, but motor you will study in this syllabus. Okay, and here also you will study the electromagnetic induction and Faraday's law. So here you will see that what is the magnetic field. Magnetic field, the space or region around the magnet in which the magnetic force can be experienced by another magnet is called the magnetic field. Or the space or region around a magnet or in which the force is exerted, or the attraction and repulsion can be experienced by the another magnet, by the another current carrying conductor. This region is called magnetic field. Okay, the unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Tesla is the name of scientist, and Weber per meter square is also. Gauss you will study in the CGS system, and Tesla you will study in SI system. Newton per ampere meter also this unit. So here the unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Okay, and here the direction of magnetic field which are lying in the direction of force exerted, direction of force which are lying in North Pole or South Pole. So here you will study the pattern of magnetic field and magnetic field line of force and the properties of magnetic field line. Magnetic field line is also called the magnetic field line of force. Okay, because it is the imaginary line which can be traced around the magnet, and here you will study the magnetic field, then magnetic field line and the properties of magnetic field line of force. Now here you will see that what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field. The space or region around the current carrying conductor or a magnet in which the magnetic force can be experienced, or in which the another magnet which can experience the force of attraction and repulsion is called the magnetic field. Okay, the space or region around a current carrying conductor or a magnet in which the magnetic force or the force of attraction and repulsion can be experienced is called the magnetic field, and the line which can be traced around the magnet is called the magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are the imaginary line, okay, not the real line. So here we can write the space surrounding a magnet. The space surrounding the space or region or surrounding the magnet are current carrying conductor, current carrying wire or conductor. The space surrounding a magnet or the current carrying wire in which the force of attraction and repulsion can be experienced, or in which the force is exerted, in which force is exerted, is called magnetic field. Dear student, what is the magnetic field? The space or region around a magnet in which the force of attraction or repulsion can be experienced by another magnet is called the magnetic field. Or the space surrounding a magnet or a current carrying wire in which the force exerted is called the magnetic field. Magnetic field is that region, that space surrounding a magnet or around a current carrying conductor in which the force of experience can be in which the force experienced by another magnet or another current carrying conductor is called the magnetic field. The SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Tesla is the SI unit of magnetic field. Unit of magnetic. Tesla is the SI unit of magnetic field. Gauss is also unit of magnetic field, but is in the CGS system, not in MKS system. Okay, and Newton per ampere meter is also the unit of magnetic field, but you will write the SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla, but in CGS system it will be Gauss. Okay, Gauss is also the name of scientist. Tesla is also the name of scientist. Both are the unit of magnetic field, and Weber per meter square is also unit of magnetic field. You will study in higher classes Weber. Weber is the SI unit of magnetic flux, but Weber per meter square is the SI unit of magnetic field also. Okay. Now here you will see that Oersted experiment, and to find the magnetic effect of electric current. As you can see here, first of all, the magnetic field line by the bar magnet, because it is very important question. Draw the magnetic field line by a bar magnet. Bar magnet is a rectangular coil, rectangular shape. Okay, this is the shape in rectangular. And one more thing, student, artificial and the natural magnet, in which we will study natural and artificial magnet, like the magnet which are used in refrigerator. That is the natural magnet. It means in which the weak strength and which cannot change their shape and size. That is the natural magnet, and which are formed by naturally. But the artificial magnet is that magnet which are made by the man and which can be made in our desired shape, like toys, okay, like in other shape, Harshau magnet. So here we can make in our desired shape. That is the artificial magnet. Artificial magnet which are produced is large strength, because we have desired, like in electromagnet and some other magnet which can be used in crane also. And so the magnet which are made by man is called artificial magnet, and which are formed by naturally is called the natural magnet. Which have the weak strength, that is the natural magnet, which have the large strength, that is the artificial magnet, and which are the regular shape, that is the natural magnet, which have the irregular shape, that is artificial magnet. It means the magnet which can be made by the man in our desired shape, that is artificial magnet, like electromagnet, Harshau magnet, and the magnet which are formed naturally, that is the natural magnet, and which are in regular shape and which have the weak strength, not strong or the large strength. Okay, now you will see here the magnetic field line by the bar magnet. Magnetic field lines by bar magnet. Dear student, bar magnet, I told you, it is in rectangular shape. Okay, like this is the bar magnet. This is the bar magnet, like which has the north pole, this is the south. Now here you will see that the magnetic field line which are started from N pole and in that S pole. Okay. We can trace the magnetic field line with the help of the deflection of needle of magnetic compass. Here we will place the magnetic compass, and by which we can find the direction of magnetic field line. This is the arrow started from N pole in that S pole. And the strength of magnetic field line, which is strong at the end of the pole, because they are the closed of magnetic field lines. But here we can see that around the magnet which are in curved line, and inside which will be the uniform. And so here we can touch the magnetic field line by the bar magnet. Here we can show that this is the. And one more thing, two magnetic field line never intersect. If they will be intersect and there will be two direction at one magnetic field line, so we can say that two magnetic field line never intersect or cannot intersect each other. Two magnetic field line cannot intersect each other. If they will be intersect, then it is impossible because there will be two lines of one magnetic field, and so we can say that the two magnetic field lines never intersect each other like this. If it is and now this is. So you can press there will be the two direction, and which is impossible. Which is impossible. Okay? Impossible. And two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Why? Because if they will be intersect, now there will be two direction at one point, and which will be impossible. And so, dear student, now in the next video, I will provide you the pattern of magnetic field and Oersted experiment. Thank you.